Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to skip story mode when starting GTA Online. Alright, let's begin. If GTA 5 keeps loading into story mode and you want to go straight into GTA Online, you can change this setting in the menu. But note that this feature only works in GTA 5 Legacy and not the enhanced version. First, press the start button on your controller or the escape key on your keyboard to open the pause menu. From here, navigate to the settings option. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Saving and Startup. In this section, look for the Startup Flow or Landing Page option. Disable the landing page so the game no longer asks you to choose between story mode and online. After that, select the option to load into GTA Online as your default startup choice. Once this setting is saved, exit the menu and close the game. The next time you launch GTA 5, it will automatically load directly into GTA Online. If you have GTA 5 enhanced, then you cannot do anything, but click on Play Online at the start of the game. So that's basically how you can skip story mode when starting GTA Online. That's it for this video. Thanks!